What's up, guys? We out here walking and letting him having his little free session by himself. See if he can obey. It's our first time letting him be loose without his leash. We're in a fenced-in area, so I just wanted to do a little vlog with him. You know, let him be him. Let him walk around, get some exercise. But he mostly be stuck in the house. Well, just me and the Scoopsters doing a little vid, a little vlog, getting him some exercise. So, guys, if you're new, if you're new to the channel, make sure you sit down. Make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Make sure you thumbs up the video. Hey, sit. Sit. So I'm trying to train him to sit on command. Come on. Oh, now he don't want to run. He's tired. He getting tired. So make sure you guys smash the thumbs up. So we just wanted to do a little vlog with him. You know, get him some little outside, you know, exercise with the dog, with Mr. Scooby-Doo. So we're not gonna make this long, guys. We just wanted to come out here with you guys and just do a little vlog with him. Let him get some exercise. You know, let him be him. So we love you guys. Make sure you smash some thumbs up. Enjoy this vlog. He's trying to hide. He's behind the bench. Come on, dude. Come on, Scooby-Doo. Alright, guys, so we love you and we are out of here. I hope you guys enjoyed this little vlog. Till next time, peace.